A busy day for birds. Now I'm going to sing it along like a song, and I want you guys to join in. 1, 2, 3, go! Can you imagine just for one day you're a busy bird? Yes, a bird, hooray! The sun is up, the sky is blue. Wake up and shout, cock-a-doodle-doo. Flap your wings and you can fly higher and higher up in the sky. Hop, hop, peck, peck. Now swim along and stretch up your neck. Say hello, darling, then swoop like a starling. Swoop up and down, swoop round and round. Scratch the ground with your feet. Catch a fly with your beak. Stand very tall on just one leg. Say cluck cluck and lay an egg. Catch a wriggly snake and stretch out your wings. Open your beak and sing tra-la-la, tweet tweet, cheep cheep. Waddle like a penguin in the snow. Run like an ostrich, go go go. Show off your tail and wiggle your feathers. Now sit in your nest and cuddle together. What a busy bird you've been, the funniest one I've ever seen. You began the day cock-a-doodle-doo. Now say good night, tweet to woo woo. Finish. Hope you guys like it.